Hello guys, hello. How are you? I think we need to wait a little bit for the others and start my live streaming again, as I did it yesterday. Again, in this live streaming, I'm going to trade. I'm going to speak about the most important and interesting themes in trading, and of course, answer your questions and to help you to learn trading better. Again, if you have any questions about trading, about me, about my private channel, about everything you're interested in, just ask them please in chat and I will answer every your question. So let's wait a little bit at first while the others are coming. Let me just check the news. Do we have any news that can disturb us? So let me refresh it. So in 28 minutes we will have two news with the low volatility on United States dollars. And in 1 hour and 13 minutes I have with the high volatility actually news, but I hope that will not do anything with the market and traders will not get panic. But when the market has a panic, we have serious problems with the trading. Hello Christos, hello bro, how are you? So guys, please, if you are joining the live streaming, put a like and subscribe my channel, please. At first, what we need to do, as usual we need to turn off the currency pairs which have less than 70% or 72% income, and turn on the currency pairs which have more that type of income actually, because if for example have a minus, we need to put a double deal, and if the percentages of income is less, we will not be able to put a double deal. So guys, the main thing I want is for you to ask your questions actually, as I told you directly during the stream. Don't be afraid, please, to write, because that's how lively and honest dialogue is built. I know that after the yesterday broadcast I received a lot of private messages actually. Some people asked about strategy, some people asked about registration, and some about the trading process itself. Today I'll try to answer every your questions actually, but please, if you have any questions, as I told you, ask them in chat, because you have a chance to find out any answer you need for learning trading better. Okay, guys, again, please put more likes. Let me just find any interesting moment on the market and put my first deal. For example, here it's dollar and Canadian dollar. I have really interesting situation because I have a upgoing trend. I've already opened a deal up on 15 minutes because I have an upgoing trend, and somewhere, let me get the rectangle, somewhere here, let me choose the red color, my correction started, and somewhere here, yes, somewhere here the correction was over, reversed, and the price is going up to beat last low to continue its trend. And with the ray I will show you, we have trend, supporting level also, from where the price reversed after correction and start going up to beat last high to continue its trend. My first deal was already opened, so again I'm waiting for your questions, guys. If you have any questions again about the trading, about the binary options, about this broker, about my private channel, about maybe my bot on the platform AI, for example, you can ask everything you need in chat, as I told you in the start of my live streaming. Some of the questions that I have received yesterday is, why is it important to register using my link? This is the most frequently asked question actually, and it is perfectly logical because look, registering using my link is not just a formality. It is your ticket to join my team. You show that you are ready to go with me, and I, for my part, provide you with a whole set of tools. Bonuses, access to closed materials, participations in my sessions. In fact, this is your way of confirming that you are in the know and that you are not just a random person but a participant in the process. Hello, Christina Vega, how are you? Hello. The other question was why it is important to invest. I want to be as honest as possible here actually, as I usually do it. I've said many times, money doesn't come out of thin air. Everything you see around you, the equipment, the lifestyle, my image, is not a gift from fate. It is the result of work, investment and constant movement forward. When I started, I didn't have the opportunity to just sit and wait for something to change. I put in the effort, took risks, made mistakes of course, but that's what gave me the opportunity to multiply what I had in the beginning. If I had sat still and said, give it to me for free, I wouldn't be sitting here in front of you guys. And that's the main point. If you don't even have the minimum deposit to get started, then think about it. Are you really ready to change your life or not? Guys, please put more likes, and still I am waiting for your questions. Please, if you have any questions, just ask them in chat. I'm ready to help you, to teach you, to explain you everything you're interested in, everything that you need to learn the trading better. I don't know. Seriously, guys, please be more active in chat. In the start of video, I've opened the first my deal up because we have an upgoing trend. Again, I need to explain maybe because some people just joined a couple of minutes ago and didn't understand why. For example, I entered, I opened this type of deal. We have here. Sorry, what is going on? Let me refresh the page of the broker in the browser. So we have an upgoing trend, as you can notice, and we have a supporting level, trend level. Here I have shown you with the red rectangle. Started the correction of this movement, and here the correction was over somewhere here like this, because we have a horizontal level also here, I mean supporting level. So the price is venting up, was venting up and already beaten the level by the price, and the trend just went on. I have till the end of this deal more than 10 minutes, and what we need to do, just wait for the end of this deal, guys. Please put more likes, guys. This is very important for me. We have already 6 likes but let's, for example, put 4 more likes to get 10 likes. Hi, how much money do I need to be able to earn $1,000 a day? You need to have an amount like me from $80,000 to $100,000, because every day we are ready to earn from 1% to like 10. But 10 is a little bit difficult with the high sums of trading. That's why if you are going to have such a income like per day, you need to have a high amount actually. Okay, let me continue. The other question that I have received after yesterday's live streaming was about VIP club and work format. Everything here is simple and transparent. We have a VIP club when I hold up to 4 trading sessions. We trade, analyze the market, and work systematically. I also offer a free format every day except weekends. I hold one open session that anyone can attend. It is important that all of this happens in real time. You see the trades, you see the market, you learn, and you earn money at the same time. This is not theory from a textbook. It is practice that shapes the results. Guys, please put more likes. This is not difficult for you to put a like, seriously, guys. What is the problem? About the strategies also, I have been asked in my direct that people asked about the strategies need to be simple, but simple does not mean easy. One of the most common myths in trading is that simple things work on their own. For example, support and resistance levels, yes? Many people think, what's so complicated about it? Just draw a line and you are done. In fact, it's a whole science. You need to be able to find the right level, understand how strong it is, where it will work and where it might fail. And it is preciously these details that distinguish a person who earns consistently from someone who is just playing at trading. So be careful, please, and learn as much as it possible. You need to spend so much time, guys, to learn serious trading, to have stable income. This is not about some profession that is easy to use, that is easy to become. To becoming a really professional trader with the stable income, you need to work on yourself so much. And you need to start right now, for example. I just told you that you can ask about anything you want, anything you're interested in, about trading, about my life, for example, about my strategies, about everything you're interested in. But as what we can see, we are just looking at the chat, and we can notice that there are only one question and two hellos to me. And you are not putting a likes for me also. I really can't understand. There are in the internet so many traders that they are trading like online on the live streaming and speaking with you, explaining every trade that he is or she is making just in live, and answering your questions. No, you will not be able to find so much traders that can do it, because in the internet there are so fake traders, many fake traders that you will be able to find, and it is very dangerous for you, because if you are a beginner, you will be able to be scammed actually with such traders. Please be more active, put likes, guys. What is the problem? Okay, on overview of trading as whole, I've always said that trading isn't about quick money, guys. It's about the system that I'm using actually every time on my live streamings, on my signal sessions, in private channel, etc, etc. Yes, you can make a profit in a day, but real results come when you approach the process systematically. Trading builds discipline, teaches you to control your emotions, and shows you how to think ahead and make decisions. It's not a way to make money, it's a lifestyle. And once you dive into it, you realize there is no turning back. Please remember that. I'm speaking only about very interesting, about very important moments in trading that really you will need to use it in your trading sessions, or I don't know. Afternoon. Hello Brandon, how are you? Greetings to you. What is your strategy? Do you provide trading? my strategy is very simple, just to read the market. This that called like technical analysis. You need to learn technical analysis. It includes everything that you have heard or you haven't heard about trading. It includes like the levels, the trends, the corrections, reverse corrections, reverse the trends, candles patterns, etc, etc, etc. So many things. The graphics of technical analysis, graphics figure of technical analysis, everything actually. And you need to learn everything to understand what is technical analysis and how you can use it in your trading sessions to have a stable income. Our main goal is, of course, to have a stable income every month, and the stable income is making from some, I don't know, a simple person to a really professional and really serious trader. You don't need to earn right now some, I don't know, sum of money. You need to learn. You need to learn to earn every week, every month, every year. Guys, put more likes, please. And be active in chat. I've asked about the bot in my private messages also, and I would like to say a few words about the bot. It is a tool that we have created to simplify the process of entering trading as much as possible. The bot is your assistant. It shows signals, helps with analytics, and reminds you about sessions. But most importantly, it does not replace your decisions, guys. The bot does not trade for you. It does not do everything automatically. Its task is to highlight entry points and give you hints, while your task is to make decisions and learn. It is important to understand that everything here depends on your involvement. So please, again, if you are, I don't know, using some bot, even if that bot is not mine, you, for example, get some bot in the internet, just please check it on demo account. The broker create the demo account for checking every strategies, every bots, or I don't know, every system that you have. So please be careful about it also. Where did you learn the technical analysis? I have learned it myself, bro. And that's why I'm trying to teach you the same. I'm trying to make you to understand the technical analysis also with my live streamings, with my videos, with my post in my Telegram channel, and of course with my private channel with the private materials. How do you use RSI and stochastic to analyze the market? Actually, I'm not using any indicators, as you can notice, because I can read the market already. It is due to the, of course, the trader's experience, because I'm trading already. This is the 9th year, as I remember. So that's why you need just to understand the market and to trade with it. But of course, if you, for example, feeling more safe with some indicators, you can also add indicators on the charts. But indicators can serve you to prove your analysis. Again, we need at first to learn technical analysis. Then, for example, we are able to add some indicators to prove our analysis. That's all. It is wrong to trade only with the indicators. So my first deal was a plus, and I've earned $178. Let me write it here, not here. Just a minute, please. It was $178 on the currency pair, dollar and Canadian dollar. 178. Perfect. So let me just find another situation to make a deal on the other currency pairs, because as you can notice on the dollar and Canadian dollar, the percentage have become 29%. This is very low. Here we have a downgoing trend, but the correction already started, and the last corrections was actually very long ones. That's why I need to find another situations. Let me just turn off the dollar and Canadian dollar and euro and Switzerland franc because of the low income. Here we have a interesting situation, but as I understood, it was reversed the trend, and the trend right now going up. And here was the last high, I think, with this candle. The highs just beaten by the price every time. And right now, I need to find another situation, guys, seriously. Let me just try to find it right now. Okay, here we have it. Just a minute, please. Guys, please put more likes. Put more likes, please, on my live streaming. This is very important for me. Support me to promote my channel, guys, please. This is not difficult for you just to put a like, seriously. Oh, I need 2 minutes. Sigh. What is going on? I've put a deal up on 2 minutes because I have a supporting level here. So we have supporting level here. That's why I've put a deal up on 2 minutes, and let's wait for the end of this deal. I hope that it is not going to beat the level and going down the trend, I mean, because the last 2 times the level was worked without any problem, and now I hope that it will be the same situation. Guys, please put more likes and be active in chat. So I've been losing my money. What makes you different from other gurus out there? Other gurus, as you told me, also making a trade, live streamings, also making live streamings or not? And I don't know other gurus, as you told me, and I don't interesting to know them. I'm trading myself, and every time I think in my private channel, also on my live streamings, I'm proving that I can trade. But believe me or not, this is your job. You see, this is your business. If you are thinking that I'm also, as you told me, some of kind of this guru, you can just turn off the live streaming. I'm not making anyone to watch my live streamings and, I don't know, to agree with me, with my explanations. So as I understood, the price beat the level, and now is going to start a new trend, a new corridor with a downgoing trend. This is what I actually scared about, but I think that we will have the same situation here. Yes, the price again beat the level. That's why I've opened a new deal down, but on 1 minute, because as I understood from this beaten moment, the price will go up again. I hope that it's enough, like 40 seconds, and the price will be low than my deal, and I will have a plus. This is a currency pair between £10 and $1. Do you track your ratio of winning, losing trades? How many turn into profit? Just a minute, please. Yes, of course, I'm tracking it, and the statistics is like more than 70-75% income. I mean pluses from all my trades. That's why everything is okay with me. Again, one more plus here. I need to put one more plus, actually. I need to have one more plus. Let me open a deal down, because we have a downgoing trend here, guys. Let me show you with the ray. Here is it. We have a supporting level here, and from this moment the correction here. Let me show you with the where is it, rectangle? Yes, the correction started here, and the correction reversed here inside of the trend, downgoing trend. So that's why I think that the correction was already reversed, and the price is going down to beat last low to continue its trend. Sorry. And just we need to wait for the end of this deal. Guys, please put more likes. Is pocket option really legitive? Heard about a lot about withdrawal problem. Rafa, you know about every broker you are able to find negative reviews, yes. But the pocket option right now, in this moment, as for me, as a broker of binary options, this is the best one. That's why I'm using it. You will not have any problem with withdrawal if you get if you make a verification of yourself and create an account after your name, and you will not have any problem with it. For example, if you are going to withdrawal on your bank card, you need to you need to add your bank card after you, your account after you, your bank card after you, and you will not have any problem with it, with withdrawal, with top up, and etc, etc. Guys, please again put more likes. Amon Sarkar, I'm not trading on the golds. I'm only, as you can understood with my live streamings, I'm trading on currency pairs. Hello King Bright, how are you, bro? How do I grow when I start with the capital of $10? $10, this is very few actually for the trading, but with $10 you can try. I don't know how you can grow up, because this is not depends on me, this is depends on you also. Even if you are trading with my signals, you need to catch the signals every time on time. I don't know, maybe you have very bad internet connection, for example, or something like that, but if you have an experience in binary options, I think you will be able to get any pluses actually. What time frame and expiration time frame are you using? Right now I'm using M1 time frame, and right now I've used the M5 expiration time, but the expiration time depends on the situation on the market. I'm analyzes the charts, and if I, for example, understood that I need an expiration on 2 minutes, I will open on 2 minutes. If I understood that I need 5 minutes, I'm opening on 5 minutes. It depends on an analysis again. Hey bro, try checking the dollar and Japanese yen pair. What do you think? Let me just close this deal, and I will go to that currency pair. Okay, Davan. Why do you stream on vertical view and not horizontal like a normal streamer? We cannot see the top screen, and this is a real deal breaker. Just put the trading screen in full and your face in corner. Brother, the short streaming is better actually working, and the short streaming is better recommending to the other people. That's why I'm making some kind of streaming shorts. There is no any, I don't know, dark moments in my stream. I'm just making in shorts, because the horizontal, because many people right now is watching with their phones, and this is more comfortable for them to watch my live streaming in this type of stream, like in shorts. Hello Digital Damage, how are you, bro? So in the end we have 15 seconds left. The whole deal was a plus, but right now, as you can see, the correction was started. In the end I have a minus here. One more deal down on $400, but now I have put on 3 minutes, because 5 minutes was not normal for this kind of movement of price, and as you can understood, in the end the correction was started. Guys, please put more likes and be active in chat, please. Okay, about dollar and Japanese yen, where is it? Dollar and Japanese yen, here is it. what we have here. Brother, I mean Davan Evander, bro, if it's starting, for example, the new trend, like because we don't have any global trend, we had the upgoing trend, and after this moment the price is going down, but this movement is very strange. That's why I don't know, this is a little bit dangerous to use that currency pair, I think. Guys, please put more likes. Please, this is not difficult for you, seriously, just putting a like. But this is difficult for me to making a live streaming, seriously. How do I identify the support to better analyze the market? What do you mean support? You mean the supporting level? I didn't understand your question, bro. Why did you choose the options trading? Do you find it more profitable? Yes, this is more profitable, and for me it is more comfortable to trade on this type of trading tool. Actually, we have two horizontal resistance level and trend resistance level. That's why I opened one more deal here, because every time the expiration not correct, but I really can't understand why. Hello, Gabriel, of course. The supporting level. How do I identify the supporting level? You know, in my channel where you are watching the live streaming, I have a video about it, so please turn on it and watch it about the levels. So guys, I have beat the last my deal and get a plus here. Let me choose another currency pair, because again that was a little bit danger currency pairs there. I opened one more deal on the currency pair Britannian pound and Japanese yen, because we have a level again here. This is a resistance level here, and let's wait for the end of this deal. About the level, I don't know, if you didn't watch my videos, I will be able to explain it very fast. What is the level when, for example, from this area the price mostly pushing up or down? It depends on the level. Like if you are asking about the supporting level, for example, if the level pushed up by that area so many times, it means that this is a strong level. After two touch the level of 2 times, I mean, you can understood that there the traders found the level and you can use it. Again, from the first moment I was right to putting down, but again my expiration was wrong or not. Guys, put more likes, please. 3, 2, 1, and one more plus here. Perfect. So I've earned $240 here. It means let me find one more situation. You don't have any question to ask, guys, and please put more likes, guys. Again, this is every time I need to ask you about it. Let me see what we have on the other currency pairs. Here we have a good situation on the currency pair Australian dollar and dollar, because we have a downgoing trend, guys, and the correction again started here. Let me show you again with the rectangle, and over here. Let me fill it with the red color. That's why I opened the deal, because the price needs to go down to beat last low to continue its trend. Let's wait for the end of this deal, and please put more likes on live streaming. I need it. Please support me to promote my channel more, guys. This is very important for me, seriously. I'm sure you have some kind of important things in your life and you are asking every time. Just imagine it, you are asking every time to support you, because you are making, like, you are doing everything. I'm doing everything for you to teach you better, for example, because live streaming is really helping to teach, to learn better, and to have a chance to ask everything you want, but you don't asking about it. Seriously, I can't understand that moment, seriously, because when I started learning the trading, like it was 9 years ago, that time we didn't have any, I don't know, videos for learning. We didn't have any, I don't know, streamers or something like that. But you have so many tools to learn, and now you have a chance to ask about everything you're interested in, but you are not asking. Guys, please put more likes. This is important for me, seriously. How did you start your trading journey, and what are the challenges you encountered? As the others, I think I just noticed advertising about the trading and starting just learning. Again, it was like 9 years ago, maybe something like that. I've lose my deposits, my amount so many times. I can't count actually how much time, how many times I did it, because of my very few knowledge. I don't know, very few experiences. Because in trading, You need to be very calm, you need to control your emotions, you need to have your strategies, you need to have your system to trade, and the most important thing, you need to treat your there are two gold rules. I am just speaking about it every time. This is the money management and risk management. You need to control your amount so serious. I don't know, I didn't know about it in my in my start of journey, as yes, as you asked. But now I know about it, and I'm trying to share with you with this information. But there are so few people that are watching, just making some activities on the live streamings. The most important thing to win your emotions, seriously, to control your emotions. Psychology in trading, this is very serious team, guys. For any traders, even for professional trader. I don't speak about the beginners. Can you be? Can you put 20 likes? We really just need 5 likes, and we will have 20 likes on live streaming. Please. I have 9 minutes left till the end of this deal. Guys, you don't have any questions? And I really can't understand. Putting a like is killing you, or what? Putting a like is making you upset? Why are you not not putting a likes, guys? Seriously, I can't understand it. This is so serious problem for the audience. When you are done with live trade, will that be all for today? No, of course. I have a 4th trading session also in my private channel. I'm making a signals for my subscribers there. Also, I have one open session in my open channel in Telegram. So the whole links you will be able to find in description of this live streaming. And of course, my evening trading session in private channel also. So I'm just trading the whole day. I'm having a rest, of course, between the trade sessions, but I'm trading so much during the day. Which country done you base? Like where am I from, you mean? If you ask about it, yes, I am from Armenia. Yeah, I am in Armenia. I'm Armenian, guys, and living there all my life. When you are done with the live trade, I already answered your question, Gabriel. Why you delete it? After every reverse of the correction, guys, you need to know about it, that you will have a mini correction movements inside of that movement. The whole global movement, for example, the correction was over already, but inside that movement, yes, you will have a mini correction movements also. Guys, put more likes, please. Be active in chat. The viewers just getting less and less. Really, why? What's the problem? I'm answering every your questions. I'm showing you the trades. I'm explaining the logic of every trade. What's the problem? Why you are just leaving the live streaming? Why you are not putting likes? I don't know. Maybe you are even not subscribing me. What's the problem? Why I'm asking about the likes, about the subscribers, etc., because I need to promote my channel. I have started to make a videos, to make a live streamings like a couple of months ago. That's why I really trying to promote it better and faster, because I need more viewers, more questions, more active streams. Because when the stream is not active, I don't know what to speak about, because in my videos I am explaining everything. I am speaking about everything. And in live streaming, I'm just making a live streaming to answer your questions. Because, for example, you can watch some video, not even mine actually, and you can not understand something in this video, some moment, I don't know, something with the close to the trading, or something close to some business, and you are able to ask about it to the professional trader who can explain you everything. But I'm not seeing any questions and any activity, normal activity on my live streamings. This is dismotivation actually, guys. Dismotivating me. Put more likes, please, guys. What is the problem? There are 5 minutes left till the end of this deal. Do you do a giveaway to help upcoming traders? I will start doing giveaways when I will have enough auditory for it, enough activities on my live streamings, on my videos. I need to get something to do, to give you something, and I'm not asking about some, I don't know, something unusual. I'm just asking about to be active on my live streamings. And the most important thing I'm giving to you, this is the knowledge. And right now, the most expensive thing in the world, this is the knowledge actually. You're able to get the knowledge already free, but you are not trying to take this seriously. Not asking any questions about trading, because I know there is so many moments that you are able not to understand, that this is normal for the beginners, not only for the beginners, but you can ask about them. I would have a couple of recommendations to attract more viewers, okay? Work on your English speaking skills, stop begging for likes every minute, be more positive. Brother, I'm actually working on my English to make it better, but I'm not thinking that my speaking is not enough, like my English knowledge is not enough to explain you everything that you need at first. The second moment, I'm asking about likes because I understood that there is very few activity on the live streaming, and actually I'm getting very sad about it, because every time I'm trying to give you the best, I really worked hard for you, and I just need to get some activities, and that's all. This is not a problem also, I think. About positive, I am positive, brother. uh, Actually, I'm very positive guy. What you found in my live streaming, some negative moments, just tell me, please. Mr. Latnemis, hello. My strategy is reading the charts. That means I'm making a technical analysis. My every trade is depends on the situation, depends on the analyze. Guys, please put more likes. And I need to tell one more moment to the Jaroslav or Krisen. If I'm not asking about likes, I will not get any likes, seriously, because I'm not have so much auditory or fans to put every time likes without asking. Maybe you don't know how the streamers are working, but every time they are asking about likes, about activity, because activity making the YouTube to recommend the stream to more people, for more people. I have a 30 seconds left. This trade, the trade just went on the plus, but right now I hope that I will not have any danger movement by the price. Just the tone that you are speaking sounds like you are struggling. I don't know, brother. You are telling me something fantastic thing, because I am very positive guy, like in my life and on the streaming also, and every time I'm smiling, I'm asking what is the negative moment. I really can't understand. One more plus, and I have $160 income. So that means that I have earned $478 during my live streaming, during my trading session on the live streaming. So guys, see again, if you have any questions, just ask them, please. If you need some explanations, also ask about anything you want. I will answer, I will explain, I will do my best to make you understand every moment in trading. My live streaming was yesterday, and yesterday I withdrew $4,000. I already actually get the money. Let me show you in the history. Here is it. I will already be withdrawed by the broker. $4,000. The price is going to beat the last low to continue its trend, as I told you when I put the deal. And actually, one more moment, I just lost the currency pair. I noticed it on my second display here. Where is it? No. When I started my deals, it was dollar and Canadian dollar. Let me find it. It's 22% income, very low percent. But here we have an upgoing trend, and again the correction will reverse, like maybe right now or in couple of minutes, and the trend will go up to continue to beat the last high and continue its trend. But as I told you, the payout is very low to trade on these currency pair. When you open a trade on live, why don't you repost in the VIP section for us to follow? Because it's difficult following from here when you are the phone. At first, on the live streaming, I don't have so much time, for example, to trade, to repost it as you told me, yes, as you asked me, to the private channel in Telegram, I mean, and to speak with you, to explain what you need, to read your questions, to answer your questions, etc., etc., etc. For these all moments, I need the time. When, for example, I'm signaling, I'm making a signals in my private channel, I have enough time to analyze without any speaking, without any explanations, to make a signals, because every signal you need to write down, yes, the currency pair, where my auditory, I mean, need to put the deal, etc., 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 to make a screenshot, of course. This is actually you are spending so many times to do these all things, and to add one more thing like live streaming, it will be actually impossible to do it. If, for example, you don't have any problem with the internet, or I know that in the YouTube, in the live streamings, I mean, in the live streamings there is some delays actually. I mean in time. For example, I'm speaking with you and you're getting my speech like in a couple of minutes. This is a problem to trade on live streaming with you. But if, for example, you think that you don't have any problem with the delays, you can trade without any problem. Guys, you don't have any more questions, please? If you have, asked them, and put more likes, please. If it's possible, actually, for you, if it's not difficult for you. As I understood, for Yaroslav, this is a difficult moment. I don't know. This is something unusual to put a like on the live streaming for that person. Okay, guys, I'm going to finish the live streaming because how can I join? You will be able, King Bright, hello. You will be able to find the whole links in the description of this live streamings, of course, in this channel where we are watching the live streaming. For the beginners, in this channel, I have a playlist for you. This is some course of trading for the beginners, and you will be able, of course, to find it in playlists also. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my live streamings. That's why I'm asking you to put the likes. Live streamings is very important to learn better actually the trading, and this is more easier to learn it because you are able to ask everything you want. This is something that you are sitting, for example, in school, in class, and you are trying to understand something, and the pupils or the students asking every time so many questions. And if you are listening to the teacher, to the lecturer, I don't know, you will be able to understand everything. That's why I'm making the live streamings for you, only for you. I'm making my best to give you the best education in trading. That's why I'm asking you to be more active, to put the likes, to promote the live streaming, and of course the channel also. I hope that you enjoyed the live streaming. Please, who will watch this live streaming as a video on my channel, please put the likes also. Subscribe my channel, and see you later. I'm going to trade. I'm going to have a rest and then trade on my evening trading session in private channel. Again, the links below in the description. Thank you very much, guys. See you later. I'm turning off the live streaming.